Breaking news. The judge rules for Gabby Petito's parents in the amount of $3 million in the wrongful death lawsuit against Brian Laundrie's estate. The estate isn't worth anything near that amount, so the $3 million is mostly inconsequential. This is according to JB at WFLA. And he says, as a reminder, this is a separate from the civil lawsuit that's headed to a jury trial next year. Brian Laundrie's estate is believed to be in the five-figure sum, which based on Judge Carroll's ruling would go to the plaintiffs Nicole Schmidt and Joe Petito, Gabby Petito's parents. And here is a copy of that final judgment. And we received a note from, let's see here, actually we'll go first to Gabby Petito's parents. A statement read the entry of final judgment. A final judgment by stipulation of the parties in the amount of $3 million has been entered in the wrongful death case filed against the estate of Brian Laundrie and in favor of Nicole Schmidt as administrator of the estate of Gabrielle Venora Petito. As a result, trial, which has been scheduled for December 2022, will not be held. The Petito family lost their daughter, and they were also denied the opportunity to confront her killer. No amount of money is sufficient to compensate the Petito family for the loss of their daughter, Gabby, at the hands of Brian Laundrie. Brian did not have $3 million. It's an arbitrary number. Whatever monies they do receive will help Gabby's family in their endeavors with the Gabby Petito Foundation. The Gabby Petito Foundation will continue to address the needs of organizations that support locating missing persons and to provide aid to organizations that assist victims of domestic violence situations through education, awareness, and prevention strategies. Joseph Petito and Nicole Schmidt wish to turn their personal tragedy into a positive. It is their hope that Gabby's Foundation will bring these important issues into the forefront of the public eye to the benefit of all our communities. So they'll be donating the funds to the Gabby Petito Foundation. And then lastly, I just wanted to show you the response from Laundrie attorney Steve Bertolino. It says, Laundrie attorney Steve Bertolino issues a response after reaching a $3 million settlement in the wrongful death lawsuit filed by Gabby Petito's parents against Brian Laundrie's estate. It says, at the last court conference for this claim against Brian's estate, I indicated to Judge Carroll that I would work with attorney Riley to find a solution to the wrongful death claim to avoid the expense of a trial when the outcome of a money judgment was unavoidable. Working with Pat Riley and Matt Luca from Trombley and Haynes, we reached an agreement to settle the wrongful death claim for $3 million. Hopefully, this brings some closure to this one chapter of this tragedy, and I look forward to working with Pat Riley to resolve the litigation pending against Chris and Roberta. And just again to note, the amount of Brian Laundrie's estate is going to be in the five figures, so like nowhere near the $3 million. $3 million is just an arbitrary number. But whatever they do get from this settlement is going to go toward or the parents are donating toward the Gabby Petito Foundation. So interesting set of circumstances and resolution here to one of the lawsuits that that Gabby Petito's parents have filed.